Traditional laundry detergents can be such a hassle. Not only do their plastic bottles create a ton of waste and take up a lot of space in my laundry room, but they're also mostly made up of water. So I decided to try these miracle detergent sheets. So far, they've been game changing. They're ultra concentrated, so I get a strong cleaning power without the harsh chemicals you'd find in other detergents. They're easily dissolvable in seconds, and they take up so much less space than my old detergent. This swap is a real no-brainer.